This is my 2017 Mark 7 GTI. Really fun car, great car. Or it was a GTI, but now it's a GT. I looked the other day and was surprised to see that my eye had jumped ship. With a little searching online, I have seen in some chat forums other people post that their eye had jumped off the car. As far as I can tell, you cannot buy just the eye for that front badge. You have to buy the whole GTI. Cost me like, I don't know, 60 bucks for the OEM badge. But I'll show you real quick how to change that out. All right, to get this front grille off, it's really quite simple. There's just 2 screws. You require a T25 bit. And then to get the grille off, you pull out and then up. So first, it takes a tug, and you might think you're gonna break something, but you just give this a tug. Let's see. There it goes. One side came free. Just keep working over. Now this is a 2017 model. I think newer models, in order to get this grill off, there's some, you have to pull forward somehow. This one is actually very simple. This grill just pulls up. That easy. Now, to get the badge off, if we take a look at the new badge, there are little tabs that, you can see, but they poke in, and that clips on this plastic backing. So to get the old badge off, just pull from the front gently and push the tabs, and maybe, there it goes. There it goes, it's coming free. You can see that's starting to peel away. I don't want to damage the new one. And back here, I know the camera can't see this, it's kind of, it's coming. And one more, there it goes. Old badge off, the GT. New badge. Oh. Should just fit right in and snap in place. Well, that doesn't look like 60 bucks, does it? There it is. Now it goes on the same way it came off. Slips right down in these holes. And then tuck the top under and snap it. There it goes. There it is. Got my GTI back.